I'm obsessed. The colors, light tan, dark brown, black fixtures. Wow. Y'all, today we are going to tour Miss Natalie Thomas's brand new construction listing at the Chiefland Golf Course community. And we're doing something brand new that you've never seen before. A virtual tour that you control every scene. Follow me. Wow. Look at this bright open floor plan. Tray ceilings. Look at this fan. Y'all, look at this fan. Oh, and you got the flush lights. I love that. You cannot ever have too much light. Look at this. Oh, the hardware is so beautiful. We've got gold and black. That is really tasteful. Beautiful view outside. And look at this kitchen. I'm obsessed. You typically don't see this with new builds. This is really great quality. Do y'all see this? Y'all check this out. Zoom in and look at this. This is granite as your backsplash. Oh, that's nice. And then you've got the white cabinets. You've got the black hinges, soft close. And then look at this. I don't see this in any other new builds. Pot filler. This is great. I love this. Absolutely beautiful. And check out this fridge. Dual action. Man, this house is amazing. Let's look at the master. Oh, I love it. The view, the natural light. You got this awesome fan in here, the extra lighting. And check this out. This is really unique. They put the plugins for the television on either wall. So you can just pick a wall. Oh, this bathroom. Raised sinks. That's gorgeous. Black and white. That's so clean. But look at this. This is really cool. It drains in the floor like this rectangle. Y'all, I love this house. This is great. Oh, and closets behind you. Now let's see what's left. Oh, here you've got your laundry room. It's got cabinets, extremely spacious. Oh, I love this. What a good idea. This is like a little nook area that would be great for like a dresser or an end table for your keys, your shoes, all of that. Now let's check out the garage. Ooh, this is spacious. You got you an electric garage door. Also, I love all the extra flush mount lights throughout the house. You know, normally in a garage, you've got those big, ugly fluorescents. You ain't got that here. And this is a really nice touch, a wash tub in here. That is perfect for when you're coming in after a long day. Let's say you're a doctor, nurse, whatever. You want to clean up before you come in the house. Great. All right, let's see the rest of the house. Okay, this is a true split floor plan. Let's look for these guest bedroom. This is really thoughtfully designed. Oh, I love this. So you've got a great guest bedroom here. You'll have to pan around so you can really see. It's spacious. Oh, I love this bathroom. Another raised sink. Beautiful stone tile in the shower. And then you've got your last guest bedroom. Beautiful natural light in here. Great closets. Everything is so quality constructed. Thank you guys for taking this awesome interactive tour with me. We are changing things in 2026. Stay tuned for the next interactive tour.